Horses down. We have the speed of the wind. Gets away immediately. Moving upon the outside, Kairika. Then next in line comes Smart and Noble. Running by Drell. Tak Tak Boy. Far beyond comes next Bonjour. And Speedy Mackie trails the field. Into the turn they go. Speed of the wind. Kairik matching their strides together. 5 lengths away in third. Tak Tak Boy. Smart and Noble. Moving up far beyond on the outside. Bonjour is down in 6 and Speedy Mackie still racing in last. They swing into the back. Kairik takes the lead by about 3 lengths. While Speed of the Wind drags back in second. Then here comes Far Beyond. Now coming closer in third and moving up to take second. Tak Tak Boy now also closing in. Smart and Noble. Bonjour. Kairik by about 4 lengths. Far Beyond now in second. Tak Tak Boy in third. Then followed by Bonjour. As they come down at the last 200. Kairik by about 2 lengths. Far Beyond is sorry outside. Tak Tak Boy is by Drell. Last 150. Kairik, Far Beyond. Tak Tak Boy is running by Drell. But still Kairik, Tak Tak Boy is lifting the lorry inside. Entering the finish line. It's Kairik, Tak Tak Boy, Far Beyond.